Hi guys, I'm Amelia Putri Fazriel from 12 Science 3 number 7 Senior High School at Sampang. Here, I want to tell you about how to make pencil holder with nothing. First, you should prepare the truth and the material. It is so simple because we just need two things. It is a hook and a rod. Before it, I need to go to tailor shop to buy the hook and rod. Don't forget to wear a mask because we need to comply the health protocol. This is the hook and the rod. After buying the hook and rod, let's start with make a simple ties. Then insert the hook between the ties and pull it form like this. Because I'm a beginner, so I just use one needle. After that, repeat the previous steps until it forms a chain and becomes a piece of cloth. After forming like a cloth, we just need to repeat the previous steps and shape into the desired pencil holder. Finally, cut the remaining threads and the pencil holder is ready to be used. Finally, the crooked pencil holder is ready to use. It can help us to increase our creativity and fill our spare time like I did. Maybe it took almost 4 hours. Thank you.